Big TikTok ban update. So based sa nakalkal ko, TikTok is planning to shut down their servers on January 19. However, before that daw, they will email us or tell us to download all our data para pwede pa din natin itong magamit at ma-view in the future. Well, thank you TikTok. Pero ang sabi nila, they will shut down their servers so hindi na natin ma-open talaga ang app. At kahit may VPN pa tayo, kahit maglagay pa tayo ng ibang country, hindi na natin ma-open talaga daw ang app. Unless mag-i-intervene ang Supreme Court. But before that, nandun ako sa Facebook, nasa Instagram ako, nasa Flip ako, pwede niyo ako i-follow doon. At nasa YouTube na ako. Pero meron pa rin tayong pag-asa. Pwedeng isign ni President Biden or President-elect Trump na mag-extend ang TikTok for 90 days. So, I am still hoping na mag-take action si President-elect Trump at mag-sign siya ng 90-day extension. So, ayan ang big TikTok update natin and I'm hoping na hindi mawala ang TikTok and amping, stay blessed. Bye!